22.
Ah. Oh. I'm now curious if these are real. Here they have very good customer care. This shop has nice decor. This very huge market is located in Guangzhou, and if you would like to know how you can get there, please watch this video to the end. That is all I ask for, because I'll be giving the information on how you can easily find this market the next time you come to China. Hi, my name is Shukrat, and I find places, especially markets and factories in China, so that you do not have to struggle finding where to get something the next time you have a business trip to China. If that is your kind of content, please subscribe, like, and share with anyone that plans to do any kind of business in China, is planning to come to China, or just wants to see how different businesses decorate their workspace. I actually didn't know that even in kitchenware there are known famous brands, and I got to know when I was shooting this video, so I also shared with you all. Please stick around and get to see for yourself. When you alone, all I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? Ah, not so expensive actually.
It's
good
quality, no cheaper.
Yeah, I think it's not so expensive. The quality is good, it is heavy. Is that how we measure quality for plates? And it has a bigger size. It's the smallest, this is the biggest size, and then another bigger size. I don't want to break them. What did you all think about the price of that plate? Personally, I thought it's not so expensive, but I don't know different places, different prices, because I normally find that plates, good quality plates, are actually expensive. That is why I thought that price is actually fair. Let me know in the comment section, do you think it's fair, especially considering it's a wholesale price, or it's quite much? Also, do not ever just follow my prices here. You can come to China, reach the suppliers and negotiate. If you can't come to China by yourself, you can always pay a sourcing agent that can go to suppliers directly and negotiate on your behalf.
Make you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything you do, I they try to do I'm plenty survive with face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them ride the whip, I know be die for nothing. What's it gonna? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them ride the whip, I know be different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Cherishing a fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trains. When it comes to money, I they concentrate.
The fact that when you're purchasing plates or cutlery, you have the chance of the suppliers measuring for you the size of the plate to confirm. It was really interesting. Be it a saucepan, they can actually measure for you using a measuring tape. Oh, and the other one is?
It's for 40 inch. It's bigger.
Honestly, thank you so much, my YouTube fam. You all have supported the sourcing agent that I normally recommend. Some of you come from Australia, you come from America, South Africa. Thank you so much for supporting the agent I always recommend. It really humbles my heart that people from my YouTube get to support a business that I recommend. It has given me a lot of strength and a lot of courage. You all are motivating me to make these videos more. Please do not stop contacting him. Do not stop supporting them or supporting any other brand that I get to work with in the future. It has really motivated me. Thank you so much. I do not take your support for granted. I do not take the time you take to watch my videos, your subscription, your comments, your likes, and everything that you've done to support me in any way or the other. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Honestly, I didn't believe that I could recommend someone and people actually go to contact them. I didn't see that coming. I did it anyway, but I didn't see it coming, and you all did it for me. I'm so grateful.
You never thought you there from papa. Which kind money we never see before. Wholesale me got me feeling I'm the one. I never take my cake away. You can't count my grace. I just day my lane. Me no get it time, but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could you not my fantasy? They want to check if my dad is go wrong. But it they rush, well, it be more. Now when they make my dog, it they rush. If I'm money we touch, yeah. It they rush, well, it be more. Hey, Shabba.
That's nasty, baby.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Well, I'm a hustler and a player, and you know I'm not a stayer. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
So girl, they try to understand that a man is just a man. That's a dirty love. When me fling control a girl, and I make your head swirl, and I make your body twirl, and I make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Night after night, me give you love to keep you warm. Girl, you never get this kind of loving from your bond. I know you want your cat, then me just can't perform.
I love you, baby.
I show you get your little loving on me gone.
Don't know how to love me.
I don't no time for no kissing.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it.
Many suppliers in this market do not speak English, so I would advise you to download a translator on your phone or come here with a sourcing agent or someone to help you translate. Otherwise, you might end up not getting exactly what you want or not doing your order properly. Yeah, I hope you get to watch this video before you make your trip to China.
Still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind.
calm down, she could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness,
This supplier had really nice melamine plates. They are not breakable. They are that material. I guess it's melamine. And they were really nice and very colorful. If you're like me and you love colors, these are really beautiful. I don't know, would you purchase a pink plate? Let me know. But personally, I would definitely purchase a pink plate. Though these look like they're mostly for kids. I'm not sure. I really don't know much about kitchen decor or home decor, but the material is actually good. It's not breakable. I'm curious if these are real. Oh,
I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off, cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Ooh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend, decide to on the lawn.
If you're coming to China for business and you need a sourcing agent to help take you around, you can contact the WhatsApp number attached in the description below. And also those of you that are not planning to come to China anytime soon, but you need someone to find products on your behalf, verify the quality and quantity of your goods before they are shipped out of China, just send a WhatsApp to that number and they'll be able to deliver. If you're coming to get kitchenware or something for your dining, cooking, this is your one stop because everything is here, from cutlery, the plates, the cookware, the kitchenware, some things I don't even know the names, but they are all here. Even if you're starting a club and you need those things, decoration. Anyway, that part is coming up in my next video, but everything that you need for this kind of stuff is right here. You do not have to check other places, and unless you just have time to move around, but you can get everything here. I saw things I didn't know I used in the kitchen in this place, so yeah.
So tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride.
This shop had really some nice decor, a concept like sort of a bird nest. It is really beautiful. The aesthetics, oh my god, I hope I said that word, is really beautiful. And so if you come around here to do your shopping, try and find it so that maybe you can just pick a thing or two. I liked the decor of the shop. I think it was my best on this trip or when I was making this video. So as you're going through this market, if you're someone that wants to work with a specific brand, there are also brands for this type of products, and there is a separate hall for them. It's called a kitchenware brand hall or something. So you can just go straight to that hall, and there you're able to work with a known brand that makes kitchenware. I thought that was interesting. They are actually very established brands that people know that make kitchenware, and each brand is located on a given floor of that building. So if you're someone that is looking for a specific brand, it's better you don't go through the entire market, but you just go to the brand's hall and go straight to the brand that you're looking for. If you've watched till this point, thank you so much. The code word is kitchen, and I believe you would want to know how to get to this place. You could just use a taxi and ask them to take you to Sinji Shalsi kitchenware market, or if you to use a subway, you take your subway to metro stop Shalsi. It's on line 18, and you get out from exit D, and right there you're in the middle of the market. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone that would love to see this kind of stuff. See you in my next video. Bye.